Somebody asked me how to sharpen one of these. This is my D-ring here, and before we can put an edge on the blade, we're going to need to straighten it out just a little bit because it's a little wonky, as you can see. So let's do that part first. Okay, there's our blade, and you can see it's got a little bit of a bend to it, so we're gonna flatten it out a little bit, put it on something hard, and whack the hell out of it a couple times. There we go. Easy peasy. See how simple that was? Now this part here, you can see it's a little tweaked there, and we want to straighten out a little bit. It's not that big a deal, and you don't want to mess with it too much because you've got it already twisted here, see, and you're putting a lot of strain on it. You don't want to heat it up or anything silly like that. So I'm going to jam it into the crotch of a tree and see if I can bend it back. Okay, got the blade straightened out a little bit. We got the yoke straightened out a little bit. We got a single cut file here, just a flat file, and you're gonna take it down right there, one end to the other. And in nothing flat, we got a new edge on there. And you're cutting sticker bushes, so it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to work. And flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. There you go. So, as long as you stay out of the rocks and away from the barbed wire, should work pretty good. Ready to cut some sticker bushes.